Please see the video till the end. Okay, children. The next point is planes. What is a plane? In mathematics, children, a flat surface is called a plane. Means a flat surface, any flat surface is a part of an infinite plane. A flat surface is a part of infinite plane. For example, I'll take give you an example. This notebook, is it flat? Yes. So this notebook is a part of an infinite plane. This side and this side it extends infinitely, this side also it extends infinitely, this side also it extends infinitely, and this side also it extends infinitely, but in the same plane. For example, suppose this pad is also a plane, a part of an infinite plane. Now this pad is a part of this infinite plane. On this side also it extends. On all sides a plane extends infinitely. Now if I tilt this pad like this, can I say that this pad is a part of an infinite plane in this way? No, in this way. Now this pad is a part of a plane which is like this. Flat surface, but like this. This side it extends infinitely, this side it extends infinitely, this side and this side. All sides it extends infinitely. Now, this notebook and this pad, if I hold this pad like this and this notebook like this, tell me, is this notebook and this pad in the same plane? No. Now, are they in the same plane? Yes, I can say now, a pad and this notebook, they are in the same plane. Now, can I say this pad and this notebook, are they in the same plane? No. Notebook is in a plane which is upside of the plane in which the pad lies. Means pad lies in a plane which is below the plane in which the notebook lies. Are you getting my point? So now I can say that notebook is in a different plane and this pad is in a different plane. Okay. Now, is this notebook and now this pad in a same plane? No. Notebook is in this plane and the pad is in this plane. Now, is this notebook and pad in the same plane? Yes. Now, yes. Now, yes. They are in the same plane. So I hope the concept of the plane is clear to you. Now we denote a plane by a flat surface. Suppose, and we can also give a name to the plane by capital letter, and we show this arrows to denote that plane extends on all the sides infinitely. But generally, for the sake of convenience, we don't show these arrows. Just a plane H. It is understood that plane H, it extends on all the sides infinitely. So I hope the concept of plane is clear to you. Next point is parallel lines. I'll draw two lines here. This is line L. and this is line M. Now children, tell me, will these two lines intersect each other? Means will they cut each other? Means will they meet each other at some point? Will this line M pass through this line L, or this line L pass through this line M at some point? The answer is yes. If I extend this line, and you know the line actually extends on both the sides. This line also it extends on right hand side indefinitely, and on the left hand side also indefinitely, and same is the case with this line. So let us extend. Yes, it intersects at this point. Let this be point P. So these two lines, they intersect, they cross each other at some point, which is called as point of intersection. But if two lines which lie in the same plane, line L, line M. Now children, if you go on extending these both the lines till the edge of the board, will they intersect? No, they won't intersect each other. Okay, if you increase the size of the board, this outside the board also, if you go on extending it, if you use the wall of this room, still they will not intersect, because they are at equal distance from each other continuously. They are maintaining equal distance from each other continuously. So they will never intersect each other. Such lines are called as parallel lines. Means two or more than two lines which lie in the same plane, but they never intersect each other. Such lines are called as parallel lines, and lines which intersect each other are called as intersecting lines. Dear viewers, if you feel that this teaching video is useful to you, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please do share it with your friends and relatives who have students in their families. Please feel free to give suggestions and feedback. Do leave a comment for the same. Myself, Mr. Dinesh Kadu for Maths Enjoyment YouTube channel. Have a good time.